What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be lowering this OBS. This is a new project truck. If you watched the video before this one, you should know, and if you haven't, make sure you go to it and watch it. Alright, you guys, so what you basically want to do is loosen up these 4 bolts and then loosen up the leaf springs, because you're gonna have to put them downwards instead of upwards. And then you're obviously gonna have to take this factory shocks off unless you get the extensions. So you basically want to buy a flip kit. See what? Okay. You're gonna need these. But this is gonna go on. This is gonna go on top with the bolt and the nut, so it'll hold it in place. And then this one's gonna go on the bottom, like that. And your differential is gonna go right here. What you basically want to do is flip this bolt around. Before stock, it was the other way. Now we switched it. Basically, this is gonna be the top of it. So this is where this plate comes in hand. That hole right there is gonna sit on that thing, just like that, and hold it in place. Alright, you guys, so after that you just put everything back together like you see. Yeah,